Turn the radio off. Here we go. It is unbelievable the shit that we have to deal with parts nowadays. So we order Monroe OE specs, right? For this 2017 GMC Acadia. This is the OEM with the taper.
These are the same part number too.
Yeah, and then here you go. This one is right out of the box with the taper. And then here's the other one with no taper. Like,
same part number. Same exact part number.
do you believe this shit, dude?
They're the same length? Yeah.
Does any of this make any sense?
Here, hand me the tapered one. I'll reassemble my side.
Okay, so what do you want me doing with this?
Put that one back in the box and tell her to get you another one. Like, this is fucking crazy, man. So the Monroe OE spec, one wasn't OE spec, the other one was OE spec, and the McPhersons suck because they're wrong.
It's such a fun Black Friday.
So look, we catch the defects before they even hit the cars. Like, this is how far we have to go ahead to just say we can't trust. We can't trust any.
Test all your parts, right?
You have to test every part. You have to test every part. This is crazy. So that's one aftermarket brand wrong. Second aftermarket brand, one product was correct in the box. The other product.
No. The second aftermarket brand was also wrong.
Oh.
We sent that back. This is the third one, and one of the two is
Right. So the McPhersons. Then we ordered another set. They still were wrong. So that's two sets. And then we just ordered the Monroe OE specs, and one was actually made properly, and the other one was wrong. Completely the same part number.
Insane. Insane.
All over this tapered piece right here is non-transferable from the OEM.
Which is crazy. They used to be transferable.
Well, some stuff is and some stuff isn't, but
There's a
I just can't make this shit up. I can't.
There's a generation that has that spherical portion that is transferable.
So a 5-minute shop job now is going to turn into, I don't know,
Multiple hours.
multiple hours.
It's been an hour since we
Right.
touched it.
Since
Yeah,
we did the last video.
well, an hour since we got hands off of it. Because
Right. Change the oil, do the diff service. Another set of shocks came wrong. Another set of shocks came, one part was right, the other one was wrong, same part numbers.
the third set of shocks.
So a diagnosis on this car for a thermostat heater, and Caleb's like, we're not using anything aftermarket. Goddamn right, we're done. It's gonna be thermostat housing and ECT right from the dealership. I'm done. We're done. It's just impossible. I don't know how anyone's fixing anything anymore. Like, we're just a little pimple on,
Oh yeah, a blip on the map.
a blip on the map. Times how many shops are within 10 miles of here? Unless these guys are just,
At least 20.
unless they're just slamming these shocks on and sending it down the road, because we won't do that. We could,
We absolutely could,
but we won't.
we want to have confidence in.
I mean, there's certain stuff you can send it, but that stuff I don't want to send. You know?